Hi guys, I is Upstable, you know me, Luke Stop here. Today we are doing a squad builder. My audio actually, not squad, but sorry, pack opening. In my audio for this video, guys, actually went a bit wrong. So what I've had to do is just come back and retake it. So now, basically, I'm just gonna record my voice over the pack. So yeah. So, first pack we get Royce, which is actually brilliant. Sanchez, Royce, Iturbe, Vučević. Quite a good first pack, guys.
Nice man. Oh.
And then obviously in the next pack we get Czech, De Vrij, Marin, and Saudi, and Sirigu, Sergi, Crouch, and Bellarabi. In this pack we get Samuel Eto'o, and Drogba, and Bradley, and Strootman, and Mkhitaryan, and Wijnaldum, and Sahin, and Lamberts, and Kupo, and Polly. Right. On the next pack, we got Pirlo, Miranda, Chesney, Maicon, Muslera, and Bruma. Next pack, we get Diego Alves, okay. And then we get Diego Alves, Lucio, and then Irizos. Then we get Diabetes, Caballero, Cruz, and Farman. We had some good packs so far. Oh, then we get Ribery, okay. Then we get Remy, Sergi, Wanyama, Douglas Costa, Ribery, Pedro, Jose Enrique. So yeah, then we get Ribery, guys, which is actually pretty damn awesome. I'm not going to bloody lie. Alright. Oh, PK, okay. Oh, inform, okay. Nice, we get an inform, Pogba, PK, Nanic, Strootman, Tulalan, and Signe. Quite a good pack, guys. Next pack, we get Bale again, and Insigne. Bale and Insigne. Wow.
Beach, can I just go on there a minute? Will you just punch something in for me?
So, next pack, Ramos, and Ozil, and Subotic, and Samba. Right, next pack. First pack. I'm sure it's game of first pack. Howdies, wow.